A lot of you guys aren't going to like me for this, and I'm actually going to sell silver. I've decided to sell a little bit of silver today. The run we've been on has been an actual madness over the last, I think it's been 6 months, from 33 all the way up to 50. And if you actually go to the 3-year chart, it's actually come up from about $20 to $50, so it's 2x. If you got that on a meme coin, you'd be very happy. And if you look at the chart, it has gone parabolic. Not that it won't go higher, I think inevitably it will. But I think when it consolidates and maybe bull flags in the future, it consolidates for a very, very long time. And investors usually are taken out of the trade by that time. So why the heck would I want to stay in a trade? And I know I'll get impatient. So I think it's time to book some profits, especially because I know what I'm like. So let's close this trade here, close the trade, and we've sold some silver. Because I feel like what's the point in me making that trade if I'm not going to take some profits? Plus my hard work, even though it's not hard work, it's just me clicking a buy button. It was too easy to make that money, so I might as well take the easy money and move on. I will buy silver again. I'm just hoping for a pullback. And I read an article today because I wanted to see what the majority of retail are thinking and also what the articles are trying to tell people to do. And it was actually pretty good advice. So amid rising gold and silver prices influenced by geopolitical tension and anticipated US Federal Reserve rate cuts, analysts recommend precious metal investors consider booking partial profits to manage risk, which I have done today. While the bullish trend is expected to continue, investors are advised to hold core positions long term and seek re-entry points during market dips, which is exactly what I'm doing. And what tipped me over the edge to actually sell this silver is because this isn't real. It's not in my house. If I had silver in my house, I had it in coin form or chain form, I probably wouldn't go over and sell it. I'd probably hold that for a very long time. These are just pixels on the screen, bruh. And I'm just trying to make money. That's the whole point of the account. And currently up 24%. I'm trying to improve from previously, where I was stupid, but now I'm trying to make better informed decisions and hopefully you can do the same. I am massively waiting for a silver pullback because if you look at it as well on TradingView, it's oversold on every single time frame. So I'd be silly not to sell here. 4 hours, it's overbought. It's overbought on the daily and it's also overbought on the monthly. Did I say oversold? It's not oversold. It's definitely not oversold. I'm waiting for it to become oversold. That's when I'll jump in again. But I'm hoping for at least some consolidation, bro. At least. I'd be happy with a 40% pullback, but I don't think we're going to get it. How much of a pullback did we get here? This is on the weekly time frame. A 40% pullback. That's what we got after rising up like crazy in about 2020. And we consolidated for a very long time. Now, I think we are in a crazy rip-roaring bull market for precious metals, including gold and silver. So I don't know when this will end, but I just have to bank some profits, bruh. I just have to do what I have to do.